Actor, TV host turned Makati Councilor and new dad Jhong Hilario pays tribute to his wife as the country observes the National Breastfeeding Awareness Month in August. Hilario and his non-showbiz partner Maya Azores welcomed their daughter last March. Serena is their first baby. On Instagram, Hilario shares he personally witnessed the challenges breastfeeding mothers go through. The struggle is real for the celebrity politico because this happens to him.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.